Welcome. In this video, I'll be evaluating the integral of x e to the x dx. Please subscribe. So we're going to do this by integration by parts. So we're going to let u equal to x and dv equal to e to the x. Okay. So integration by parts says that the integral u dv is equal to ub minus v du. Okay, so let u prime equal to 1, and then the integral of e to the x dx is equal to e to the x. Now we plug it into the integration by parts formula. So x e to the x dx is equal to uv, which is equal to x times our b, which is equal to e to the x minus the integral of e to the x, and du is equal to 1, so 1 times dx. Okay, now we integrate this part here, and that's equal to, let's put it here, so x e to the x minus e to the x dx, then we do x e to the x minus the integral again, that's going to be e to the x plus c, since this is an indefinite integral. Okay, so now this would be the answer, or if we want to combine this one, it would be x minus 1 e to the x plus c. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.